Good morning! Happy Sabado! Now, I'm trying the microphone for the very first time. Yung microphone na kasama nitong camera na to, hindi na lumalabas yung microphone blocked sa screen ko. So, I don't know. We'll try this. Oh my gosh. Now that I'm trying this, I need to check the clips right away. Happy Sabado! Voting day today. So, si Dan umalis ng maaga. Bumoto, guys. Mahaba yung pila. Yung sinan niyang picture kanina, mahaba yung pila. Tingnan niyo. Maraming tao. So, yung tao from there hanggang dyan. Tapos parang nandito si Dan banda. Nakapila siya. So, paikot silang ganun. Ang haba ng pila. Magkakape ako. Hindi sleeping. My gosh, ang tagal ko nakatulog kagabi, guys. Nanood ako ng Miss Universe. Sus, akala ko, mananalo na naman ang Cebu. Sabi ko, hindi ko siya tatapusin kasi I can watch it later pag nagising si Indy ng madaling araw. Nagising si Indy after nung last feed niya nung gabi. Nagising 1 hour later, tapos ang tagal na natulog ulit. So, kaming dalawa, gising kami, napanood ko yung Miss Universe. Tayo na talaga. Ang tagal-tagal na nitong camera nito sa akin. Minsan-minsan ko lang yun inopen, yung ano niya. Kasi wala talaga akong time mag-aabubot-abubot ng mga kamerang yan. Tapos bibili na talaga sana ako. Sinasabihan ako ni Dan, bumili ka na lang. Sabi ko, sayang naman to. Kasi kapag bumili ako ng bago, wala na talaga. Hindi na talaga to magagamit. Tinatry kong ilagay to. Wala man. Anyway, magkape ako, be. Ayok tong mawala. Balik natin. Kasi baka mapaglaruan ng aking mga chikiting at mawala na ito forever. My pajamas is from Yes Style, guys. It's just a satin pajamas, but way better quality ng mga previous satin na meron ako. Yung mga namain ko sa mga live selling na galing Pilipinas, yung mga Korean, Korean satin or Korean cotton. Dineclutter ko na yung lahat. Yung mga tinira ko is yung mga better quality ko na pajamas. And this is one of them. So maganda yung pagkatahi niya. Hindi naglulusan yung mga thread. So maganda to. This is from Yes Style. Yes Style is hit and miss. But this is one of the good ones. Tinransfer ko yung clips and okay naman yung audio so far. Okay na okay actually. Tapos ang galing kasi hindi na lumalabas yung microphone block. Now I'm gonna try it with my kids. Hi, why? Oh, it's stuck. It's okay. Yan yung suot ng aking ate. There's Princess Holly on TV, Ayla. That's not YouTube, that's TV.
But Daddy fixed it.
Did Daddy fix it? No. It is a TV. Oh, it's YouTube. Daddy did fix it. How did he do it?
How?
Did he turn it off?
No, so he looked in the TV card.
Oh, did he? Oh, thank you, Dada. Alam niyo ba yung mga anak ko, walang TV dito? Wala silang TV.
I saw you, Toffee.
Wala silang YouTube, not TV. Wala silang YouTube since we got back from Bali.
Mommy. Mama, draw you, Toffee.
That's a microphone. I'm trying it out.
I saw you, Toffee.
You want to smell?
Can
You can
I
smell.
try it? Can I try it?
Yeah, you can try it. Do you want me to put it on you?
I'm trying.
Well, here, just sit next to me, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, you can talk. You can talk on the microphone. So,
Hello. 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 I tried that.
no, you can't try that. That's for adults, remember? For grown-ups only.
What about Aya?
Oh, Ayla cannot drink that. Ayla knows.
I can.
No.
I can.
Maybe today, we'll get. What should we get milk tea today?
Yes. No, Mommy. I want to play the game we played last night.
The game we played last night. What did we play last night?
So,
Oh, okay, yep, we can play that. Can I finish telling the guys my story?
Mommy, yes.
Yes. So when we got back from Bali, this TV for some reason is not connected to the internet. It's just not connecting to the internet, and
This is not working.
I did my usual troubleshooting. It's not working. So sabi ko lang sa kanila, oh, the TV is broken. So you get what you get. So kung ano lang yung nasa TV na kids channel, yun lang yung nakukuha nila. In fairness, nag-survive naman. Yeah, Arlo's just been watching Peter Rabbit, kung ano lang yung nasa TV. Kasi yung kabila off limits siya dun eh. Kay Indy yun eh.
I want to try that. Mommy, I want to be healed.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung register
Mommy,
ng microphone
I
sa mga
want-
sinasabi ng walang mic.
The baby's fine. Daddy's webs. And
Daddy's webs,
no, Spiderman's webs.
Spider-Man web. What do you want me to do with that? Do you wanna watch it? Or okay, let's go.
It's not. Why walking?
Tapos napapansin ko, yung problema nitong kamerang to, kapag pinipick up ko siya, kapag ginagalaw ko siya, yung audio nababasag dahil nga dun, ewan ko nangyari dun sa pool. Wala naman akong ginawa sa kanya. Wala namang nangyari sa'yo. Apaka-arte mo naman. Hindi nga ako lumublob sa pool. Nandun lang ako sa labas. Finilm ko lang yung mga bata. Apaka-sensitive naman itong kamerang to. So, nag-start siya mag-microphone block. And now, hindi na siya lumalabas since I have this. So, we'll see. We'll see kung anong ganap nitong microphone na to. Kasi hindi ako sanay din na may nakabitay na microphone sa akin. Gusto niya daw itry itong microphone.
Two.
No, only one. Actually, I can just hold it. Or we can put it on your hair.
Huh?
Pag ito nahulog talaga naman. Yung naririnig niyo ba ako, guys? I don't know. Pero malapit ako sa microphone. So kapag dito ako, do you hear me?
Nah.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it, Pab. Sige, ipalaro talaga sa anak. Ipalaro
I
talaga sa anak ang
want to use a bigger one.
microphone.
I want to use a bigger one.
A bigger microphone. Sige, ikaw. Use a bigger microphone. This one is not for kids anyway. Go. Okay, try ulit natin. I-check ko ulit yung clips. Check ulit ang clips. Nalab. Ayaw niya. Sabi ko, pagdating niya, sabi ko, Isaiah ko, I think I fixed it. Sabi niya, what's that? Sabi ko, but I just have to put this on. No! Ayaw niya. Sabi niya, para kang ewan dyan, magsusuot ka ng ganyan sa public. Anong problema mo dito, babe? Sabi niya, bili ka na lang ng bago. Itong taong to, tinatry ko nga yung isip ko na wag bumili ng bago. Ever since nung day na, sabi ko, hala, microphone block. Sabi niya, bili ka na ng bago. Grabe siya makabili ng bago agad. What? No, the egg is raw. So, nagpunta siya ng shops. Na naman. Kami, ewan ko na lang talaga sa amin. Kailangan natin ng matinong sistema. Now, actually, okay naman pala. So, ngayon, ako na bahala sa mga dry, malalaki, yung pwede i-order online. Tapos siya sa mga ganito, yung mga itlog, yan. Kasi kailangan yan, what's this? For your hair?
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the powder.
Oh, really? So this one is a 5 ba? So where did you get it from? Just the shops? Okay. That actually smells good. So have you been using the spray? The spray? Because your head is still red.
Yeah, I'm not a big fan of the...
Yeah, because I think the powder will still drop, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel a bit dry. I feel alright.
Okay. I'll try this one. This one looks promising.
How much do you pay for the thing?
5?
Is that all?
I don't know. I don't know, babe. Maybe 20. I don't know. Like, how much was that? It is. How much did you pay for this one?
7.
7? Oh, that's $12.98. Yeah. That smells really good. Does the other one smell good or not at all? Doesn't smell anything at all? Huh. This one smells good. Ah, that's good. Hopefully it works. So, okay. Ayaw ng asawa ko ito. Ewan ko, guys. Ay,
We
nako.
can dishwasher on because we've got all the plates in there.
Is it?
I got about 4, but...
Yeah. We can. Easy. Hello. Hi, bungit-ngit. Hello, bungit-ngit. Are you a bungit-ngit girl? Hey. Bungit-ngit, bungit-ngit. India, 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 bungit-ngit. Bungit-ngit, bungit-ngit, India. Hey, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do? You just play with Mama and talk to Mama? Oh, that sounds good. Oh, you like that idea. You like talking to me. I know you do. You love it.
You look. I not see him. I don't
Oh no, the siblings are here. They're here.
No! I'll show you. Do you see the man?
Ang cute ni Arlo. You're so cute when you do that, Arlo.
I'll show you.
Hello. You want to talk to me and you just want to keep talking and you don't want to stop. You don't want to stop. You just want to keep talking. Are you a talkative girl? Ate. Play with ate. You like ate's hair? Galing to swimming si ate. Sabado ngayon eh. So, walang gymnastics siya kanina kasi ginamit yung school sa election nga. Yeah, so swimming lang siya kanina. So, let's get the guest room ready, guys. Punta sila manay mamaya, guys. Let's get the rooms ready for your kuyas. Kuya TJ and Kuya Zach. Upstairs. And Tita Manais, let's change their bed sheets. Come on.
Okay.
Tapos, I need to vacuum the house.
There.
Hello, guys. Nakabihis na ako.
Mommy, are we dancing Holly?
Yeah, they will be here soon. It's 4:16. Darating sila manay daw mga around 5 daw. You need to wear something warm because it's cold.
Oh, I know.
Yeah.
So I will wear.
Long sleeve. It has to be long sleeve.
So Mom, I will wear.
Or here, you choose from here. You've got long sleeve stuff here. Look.
No, I want to wear long sleeve and jacket.
Yeah, so how about this? Pants.
For the dress.
Dress? You want to wear a dress?
Never the jacket. So maybe I will wear these with this jacket.
Ayla, this one, oh. Actually, this one, Ayla. We have this. So we matchy colors. Yeah. Okay. What do you think?
Mommy, the new light up blue.
Yeah, the new light up boots.
Put one of her.
It won't. Get socks, get socks. Dito ako mag-ready kasi ang ingay ng white noise sa aming kwarto. Kunin ko lang yung mga gagamitin ko sa aking pagmumuka. Alright. Ayla, Indy sleeping, remember?
Mom, can I put this lipstick on?
We want Indy to be very, very happy so it's not hard for Daddy. Oh, by the way, it's just gonna be me, Ayla, Holly, and Manay. So may pupuntahan kaming Filipino party, guys. It's like a music party.
Music concert.
Concert? Yeah, kind of.
Mom,
What?
can I use this lipstick on my lips?
Not that one. I'll give you the lip tint. Not that
This
one.
one.
No. Not the lipstick. I'll give it to you. Wait. Yeah, not
Can
this
I
one.
use that?
No, not that one. I can let you use lipstick a little bit. But that's it.
I'm too. Well, mini, miny, mouse. Catch it, spider in a
Shh.
toe.
Listen, Indy.
Mini, miny, catch it, spider.
So darating daw sila ng 5.
I love the pink. It's better. The pinker one is better than this one. Put the slime, lettuce, put this. Can I see what does this one smell like?
Hindi sana kami sasama. Kasi sabi ko, hindi siya okay for Indy kasi maingay. Kasi ano kasi siya, parang may mga banda kasi. So magiging maingay. So sabi ko, hindi kami sama. You okay? What happened? Did he hit your nose? Which one? This? Ay, nako. Yeah, it did. That's okay. Don't cry.
I want to look in the mirror.
Look in the mirror. Sabi ni Dan, ikaw na lang mag-isa, punta ka. Tapos timing, sabi ni Manay, punta daw sila dito. Kung pwede sila magstay dito sa bahay, syempre naman. So sama din si Manay at saka si Holly. Hindi pang concert ang ating baby girl. Not yet. Alright. Okay na yung pagmumukha ko. Ay, lipstick. You can use that brush. Apply it on your face. So, ang dami nang nangyari. Kasi kanina may meeting yan si Dan. Meron siyang parang meeting, training, basta or meron siyang kinailangan gawin para sa company niya. So, umalis yan kanina. Kakarating niya lang mga 20 minutes ago.
I want it to sparkle.
Yeah, there's sparkle. Alright guys, OOTD! So, suot-suot ko yung binili natin sa Glassons, yung off-shoulder. Ang ganda niya. Gusto ko siya. Ang ganda din ng kulay. And then, my Zara carrot jeans, ata yung tawag dito, if I'm not mistaken. Fino-fold ko lang yung siyang ganyan. I will be wearing my Zara pointed flats as well. This is from Zara too. Malamig kasi na. So, pag ganyan yung suot natin. I'm wearing my black belt, yung mapanakit na belt, but wala kasi si Indy. So, okay lang. And to match the color of my belt and my blazer, I chose this bag. It's a vintage LV bag. Ang cute niya, di ba? Ang ganda ng pagkabili ko nito actually kasi parang ang bago pa niya. Si Ayla din pinalitan ko. Yung isa nag-jacket din. Nag-shoes pa. Sinasabayan ko lang siya sa trip niya. Ma-distract din yan pagdating ni Kuya Zach at saka Kuya TJ. Ang ganda naman ng outfit ng dudong ko na yan. Binihisan ko si Ayla. Gusto niya din magbihis. Tapos gusto pa magsapatos. Let's go! Where are we going? Playground? Hindi? Oh. Indy's bum is up. That is funny.
It looks like she's alive.
Yeah. Biglang lalabas yung microphone. See? Natatabunan tayo.
Ay, so hindi mo na makikita?
Nakikita. Hindi mo to nakikita sa edit.
Yeah, but ganyan na siya the whole time pag nagre-record?
Hindi, ano ko, ayan. Tapos lalabas na naman siya maya-maya lang. Tapos kapag ko yan, ayun, mababasag yung audio yan kasi parang sensitive siya. Okay naman siya. Like, ginagawa ko kanina, pero pag nakakonect, dito na siya. Ay, sa'yo to.
Ano yan?
Ano ko sa'yo, pasalubong ko sa'yo, alam mo naman galing ako Saudi.
Ay, pwede mo itong dalhin?
Ay, hindi. Hindi, ano yan, kalamansi.
Sa Bali?
Hindi. Binili ko lang yan sa Filipino shop.
Ay, ang galing.
Nagpunta ako Filipino shop.
Ay, my favorite.
Yo, di ba?
Paborito ko to, guys. Ano to?
Mga pasalubong ni tita. Yes?
Pasalubing ni Sisi from Ay, alam ko sinong gagamit nito ngayon, Sisa.
Oo nga eh.
Babga.
Kaya nga nung nag-usap tayo, tahimik lang ako kasi sabi ko, ay meron ako ibibigay sa iyo.
Oh, sakit nito niya. Oh.
So, hindi ko lang alam kung anong loob niyan. Kung malalaking patch, tingnan mo nga. Kasi hindi ko na-open.
Baka ano siya, parang salumpas. Sana.
Yeah, kaya nga eh. Pero gano'n ayan, malalaki naman. Isa pa.
Niya?
Yan na.
Meron pa.
Yan na. Oh, yeah, yan pala. Ano yan? Marami siya. Plaster. Tapos ano to? Plaster din.
Plaster. May amoy din.
Yeah, maganda yan pang maso.
Ayan. Ipaano nga kay Jen?
Ayan, perfect. Oh, yan na.
Kailangan ko ng pamilya ko.
Kailangan ng pamilya niya.
Kailangan ko ng pamilya ko. Ay, thank you, sis.
That's okay.
Ito favorite ko.
Yeah, meron pa doon. Gusto mo?
Ubusan. Binigyan ka lang. Ubusan mo pa yung nagdala.
Guys. Saan ba to papunta tong ating maps? Baka saan na naman tayo. Ala, 24 minutes. Ala, kakain na yun sila. Pagkain
Uy, cash
na
ba?
may
Wala, may cash ka?
Wala akong cash. Hindi yan cash. Uy, grabe ka naman.
Grabe man sila. Wala
Ano
akong
to?
cash.
Year kopong-kopong.
Wala akong
Wala
cash.
din ako. Hindi ko dinala. Inisip ko siya actually.
Ako, nakalimutan ko.
Dalhin ko
Hingi sana ako kay Jan. Ha? 20 minutes lang.
Dapat, hingi ka lang ng hingi.
Siya lang kasi may cash. Hindi talaga ako.
Ayan.
Hindi, wala akong cash. Mas marami pang cash ang bata sa akin. Ubus na din kasi naubos ko na.
Ikaw tayo tagahiram.
Hindi nagbabayad eh. Paano nila yun na ano?
Dito na kami guys. Yung microphone ko. Ay, hindi pa naka-on siya.
Baba, come to me.
Ayan.
Ala, nag-lipstick na ang bata.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay
Kasi,
lang yan. Yan ang kalo niya.
no,
Pa tayo lipstick, baba.
lipstick na. Beautiful. Very pretty.
Si Holly, iniwan namin sa loob. Mayroon siyang kasama mga bata. Ano?
Kitang-kita yung aking paano. Papusa
niya. Oh, may
So,
microphone.
maganda, clear ba?
Clear. Clear. Hindi, nasira kasi yung camera ko sa Bali. Na ano yung microphone.
Dito kami nakapila.
So, external microphone gamit
Uncle
ko.
Docs to,
Ayan.
di ba?
Yeah.
Uncle Docs
Ay,
yan.
Uncle
Dito na pala kami guys. Kanina pa kami dito. Nakapila kami.
Pause na sila ba?
Kaya nga eh, may pasta. Ibahin mo na lang sa'yo kasi marami kayo eh. Ay, nandito ba si Ate Harley?
Wala.
Oo, may order ko sa kanya dati. Wala. Saka
Yeah.
kay Zoe.
Yan na lang. Kasi yung iba guys, ang haba ng pila. Meron dito man ay walang pila.
Mag-order pa kayo ng iba, di ba?
Yeah, kaya nga mag-order tayo iba, uy.
I never knew that love could feel this way until you came and took my breath away. Every word you say, every smile you show, you light up my world more than you know. When I'm with you, time just fades. In your arms is where I wanna stay. No one else can make me feel like you do. Every beat of my heart belongs to you. Only you can make me feel alive. Only you can set my soul on fire. With every touch, with every kiss, I fall deeper into this bliss. Only you, only you. Through the highs and lows, you're by my side. In your love is where I wanna hide. You're the reason I wake up every day. With you I know I'll never lose my way. When I'm with you, the world feels right. Even in the dark, you're my light. No one else can make me feel like you do. Every beat of my heart belongs to you. Only you can make me feel alive. Only you can set my soul on fire. With every touch, with every kiss, I go deeper into this bliss. Only you, only you. Through the highs and lows, you're by my side. In your love is where I wanna hide. You're the reason I wake up every day. With you I know I'll never lose my way. When I'm with you, the world feels right. Even in the dark, you're my light. No one else can make me feel like you do. Every beat of my heart belongs to you. Only you can make me feel alive. Only you can set my soul on fire. With every touch, with every kiss, I fall deeper into this bliss. Only you, only you, only you, only you, only you. Forever you, forever you. I never knew that love could feel this way until you came and took my breath away. Every word you say, every smile you show, you light up my world more than you know. When I'm with you, time just fades. In your arms is where I wanna stay. No one else can make me feel like you do. Every beat of my heart belongs to you. Only you can make me feel alive. Only you can set my soul.
Bahay na as. Tulog ang dalawa.
Is Dan sleep?
Is that awake still? Yeah, I know. He would be awake. Indy sleeping? Is she hard work? Arlo would still be up. Ay, hala, nakalimutan ko yung aking microphone.
Patay.
That's alright. Ang hirap nito kunin. Unahin mo kunin yung anak mo kasi nasa gilid. O, diba? At least pa, turtleneck. Nag-a-adjust siya, guys. Hi, boy! Oh, my love. I miss you!
Are you better?
Oh, I'm better. Thank you, Alo.
That's Daddy's car.
Hmm?
Daddy's car.
This is Daddy's car. This one. That's Tito John's car. Sabi ko kasi sa kanya, punta ako sa doktor.
That's Mommy's car.
That's Mommy's car. Sabi niya, are you better now? Manay, sabi ni Arlo, are you better now?
Mommy,
Yes?
is Daddy's shoes?
That's my shoes. Do you like my shoes? Yes?
Is it white?
It's not white. What color is it? No? What color is my shoes?
White. What is the
Black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is that color?
What's that color? You tell me.
Black?
Brown? Gara?
Brown?
Ni Gara, mang kaboy.
What's that color?
That's brown.
Brown color?
Yeah.
Is it brown? What is it?
May tao?
Mommy. Hi.
Oh, yeah?
What is that?
Gisingin niya?
Is that my house? What is that?
I'll carry her.
Mommy, what is that?
What is that?
That's Ding Dong. Gustong-gusto niya yan.
It's ding dong.
It is Ding Dong. Alright, go take it inside. Share it with your kuyas.
Ding dong.
Ding Dong. Do you love Ding Dong?
Ding dong.
Yeah.
Ding dong.
Linis ng bahay. Maaliwalas. Very good. And masaya ang ating Dudong. Tulog ang ating Indy. Is Zach sleeping? No? Oh. Are you watching Zach's game, babe, tomorrow? Okay. But I got you sapin-sapin. Yeah. Sorry guys, para akong ewan, paiba-iba yung audio ko kasi minsan may microphone. Kadalasan may microphone, minsan wala. Ayan na? Hi! He is awake. Yung in-order mo sa kanya, tapos yung pasalubong galing Bali.
Ay, salamat. Ang dami kong ayuda today.
Lala. Gusto niya lumabas? Sige, palabasin mo muna. Oh, say hello to pare. Sige, gusto mo lumabas ni pare. Oh.
Pa-freebies ko yan. Pa-freebies ko.
Oh.
Para naman kang galing ako.
Alo,
Kaya feeling niya mag-play yan. Uy, sabi na do.
alo, napapasok na sa bahay. Alo, na. Alo, doy. Ano, day, na-miss niya yung bahay. Alo, put shoes on daw. Wala na, day. Wala na, nandun na. Wala na, baka pumasok na yun sa feeling niya, alauna pa lang ng hapon. Ayun na, nandun na. Hayaan mo lang. Bakit ba? Nag-uusap pa naman yan. Oo nga. Ayun na, naghahabulan na. Diba? Nagsisigawan pa. Kanina pa sila takbo ng takbo.
I love you.
I love you. Kaya nga, maaga pa matagal pa yan matatapos magchika.
Hindi ko alam kung... Feeling ko nila maghugas ng mukha. Diretso na. Ano na lang? Wala
Diretso unan na. Napunta na sa punda.
Uy, puti yung punda mo.
Mas malalaman nurse, hindi ito naghugasin man eh.
Ay, apakadumi. Oh, baby. Oy, no. Careful. Monster? Wala ka ni... wala. Ang sarap ng tulog nito.
Masarap ang tulog.
Oh, Ayla did. And so, look at this. She showed me...
Uy, ito may flyers sa mga bata.
Oh, yeah. So she showed me this, and because she was drawing monkeys last night, I said, "Oh, monkey!" And then she goes, babe, her face like this. No, Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, we can.
Well, she was drawing monkeys yesterday. Ang cute ni Ayla. Nag-drawing
buy
lang
this
siya
from
good.
them also?
Yes, that's $5 each.
Okay.
So I got kalamay and sapin-sapin. Alam kong gusto nila ng sapin-sapin.
You know what empanada? Yeah, here.
Alam mo, dalhin mo yung Dunkin Donut bukas. Uy, ipakain mo sa buwis, pang energy ni Zach, pag naglalaro. Parang ewan. Dalhin mo yun. Kasi tapos na ako kumain, tapos ayaw ng mga bata. Kahapon ko man yan in-order. Ilabas mo nga para madala mo. Para hindi mo makalimutan. Tubig. O sige, uminom ka ng maraming ice. Dalhin mo to. Marami pa to, sis. Yeah, oo. Kasi masarap yung Dunkin Donut ni Sisi dun. See? Marami pa. Pakain mo sa boys. Gusto ba nila to? Ayan. Dalhin mo bukas kasi baka nasa bed pa ako pag umalis ka na. Bye, Holly. I love you, Arlo.
Mommy, you happy with me?
I'm happy with you, yes. Bye, babe. I'll see you soon. Kung magbus ka, gusto mo pumunta dito.
But I'm Dolly.
We're going upstairs. We're sleeping. Yeah.
I never knew that love could feel this way until you came and took my breath away. Every word you say, every smile you show, you light up my world more than